Welcome to session 5 of the series. Here in this session we will be learning how to create a basic KPI dashboard using Excel. Before starting, let me give you a brief idea about KPI. KPI is acronym for Key Performance Indicators. In the example which we will be looking, we'll have 6 KPIs. These KPIs are built on project management constraints of time, cost, and quality or scope. These 3 KPIs, I am adding 3 more, namely resources, reliability, and efficiency. So these are my 6 KPIs in the example which we are going to use here. Now different KPI have different values depending upon KPIs and your organization. And on the left hand side of my table I have 5 different products. Here I could have services, processes, and many more than 5 which I have listed down here. Using this we have to create a simple KPI dashboard. We will be working on 3 legend colors. Any value that is green falls between 90 to 100%. Any value that is amber or orange falls between 80 and 89%. And any value that is red falls under 80%, which is unacceptable. So when we are finishing with our dashboard part, you will be able to see a bird's eye view of acceptable and unacceptable performances product wise. So let us now get started with the KPI dashboard. The data you are seeing on your screen is the basic data, and we will be applying certain set of rules to indicate the legends in our final dashboard. So first thing is to select all the data range here that you want to have on your dashboard. So I will now select my complete data using which I have to create the dashboard. On Home tab, go to Conditional Formatting and select New Rule for Conditional Formatting. This will be used for data which I have already selected. This gives us a new rule formatting window, and we will be using the default rule, that is format of cells based on their values. In the format style, we can choose from 4 different available formats, that is 2 and 3 color scale, data bars, and icon sets, etc. We will be using icon sets for our dashboard. This gives us traffic symbol lights which we see here. If we click the drop down, we will have different styles, but we will go with the default one. In this type we will be changing it to number as we have numerical values in our data set. In the green section I will type in value as 90, that is greater than or equal to 90. For amber color or orange color I will select between, that is greater than, when it is less than 90 that is 89, but greater than 80, that is greater than equal to 80. And if you can see, the red color has already taken the values when less than 80. So when I click OK, you will see what happens. The icons of the traffic light are added on your dashboard. So we can see product E has green lights for the maximum number, and for product A we can see all red values indicating a problem with this product. So this dashboard gives me a visual representation, and it also looks pretty good from presenting point of view. We can change some values for product A and see the result. For example, I will update this value to 95, and you can see the red traffic signal gets converted to green. Yeah, that is the beauty of the dashboard. if we want to change the style, we just have to select the data once again, and once again go to home, conditional formatting, and then you need to go to manage rules this time, where the rule we have created appears in the list. Now we have to choose edit this rule to change any of its constraints. Here we can change the value, like instead of 90 I want 85, or instead of some basic value I want 80. So you can choose as per your products and organizational needs. So this is how we create a basic KPI dashboard. Hope you enjoyed this session.